Hi, Adam from Ecoaim. Today we're at Fintry Sports Centre and we're talking to Sandy Kelso about why he needed Ecoaim. Sandy, why did you need Ecoaim's help?
Well, we had a bit of a problem with the dovetailing two different systems. We had old solar panels, some of which had gone past their time, and a new set when we were dovetailing the two of them, and not many companies were able to do it. We felt that Ecoaim had the sort of technical ability to work out a solution for us. It's quite a tricky one for people who are not what you might call highly qualified in the electrical side of things. You know.
So, how was it that you needed Ecoaim's help and the company that first installed the system couldn't help you?
Well, unfortunately, the company, we thought they were very good, and they were very good, but the financial problems hit them, and they eventually went out of business. So it was fortunate that we were able to find a company as well fitted to do the job as Ecoaim.
And how was it that Ecoaim managed to solve your problem?
Well, they obviously being the type of company they are, with a lot of highly qualified people working for them, they've got good connections with manufacturers, and Solar Edge worked with them to find a solution. And I think that was key to the whole success of the thing, that they felt confident that they had an answer to the problem, and the reputation that Solar Edge has, you know, obviously is quite high, and we were happy to go along with that. Well, we had several visits from them. Duncan came out and went over the system that we had and the system that we were going to get, and he put a solution together. They got designs from Solar Edge, right? And Duncan obviously scrutinised them and made sure that they were what we were able to do, and we are perfectly happy with what's happened. The proof of the pudding, of course, is in the eating. Once everything at the moment looks good, it's been well done, smartly done.
And have you noticed the difference with the results?
Well, we've had production that we've not had for a couple of years now because of the condition that our system is in. So we're looking forward to getting a good return on the investment.
How was it that you'd heard of Ecoaim?
Well, we're very fortunate in that one of our members had already used them and spoke very highly of them.
Oh, that's good.
So word of mouth, it's a very true saying, you know, that you get the best when somebody has used them before, and so we took advantage of his knowledge, and we're very happy with the result.
There you are. That's all the recommendation you need. Thank you for your time, Sandy. So what's special about this project and why did we inherit it? Well, the original company that installed this system no longer exists. The original system that was put in was a 50 kilowatt system. There was two 17 kilowatt Solar Edge inverters. Problem, 50% of it was damaged. We replaced two 50 watt panels with 435 watt panels. This meant that we also need to replace P600 optimizers and replace them with S1000 optimizers. Due to the size of the panels, we introduced an 8 kilowatt Solar Edge inverter. This came with its own generation meter. We stripped the full system and ran all new strings. We did this so we could map individual strings to the inverters. As there was a mix of old and new solar panels, we wanted it to look as nice as possible. So, if you're in the same situation as Fintry Sports Centre and you've got a system that's damaged, outdated, and the company that installed it no longer exists, and you need it fixed, come and see Ecoaim. We can help.